as you could see, the stock is at $20, and I've been following this thing for I think since October when I saw it shoot up, and really it hasn't gone anywhere. One thing that I've noticed is that it is, you see when it reaches that level right over here. Okay, once we get to these type of level, I think it becomes interesting. But really, it hasn't gone anywhere. Okay, we had some interesting earnings, and it almost reached $30, but then right away, you know, something is going on with this stock. I think that something is going on that has to do with the owners, or because I mean we've seen some incredible run up. Look at this: $16, $30. We're around, what is this, like 20, 30, 16, 20. So it's not the best chart in the sense that if you could see it right from I mean, imagine it was at $50 at one point, which is crazy. He had a huge run up. This is 2025, right? And this is 2024. He had a huge run up for like $10, and then all the way to $45. And since then, you could see the 52 moving average is it's kind of heading down. And it doesn't make any sense because look, the P ratio is very low, 6.7. The forward P 5.89. When you're looking at the beta, and this is what you're seeing in the beta 1.93, is you're seeing a huge amount of volatility. So it is undervalued when you compare the P ratio, if you believe in that. It is very volatile, as you could see. So the question for you is, when is a good time? Well, whenever you're like in the 17 or 16 or 17, that's when it becomes interesting. Now, let's take a look at some of the news, right? And let's see what some of the people are saying. This is going to be a breaking result. If you are good, remember, and it was February, that in 3 months it will be at $70, and it continues the same path. $70 a share. Yeah, okay. GigaCloud technology is attracting investors' attention. Here's what you should know. I don't believe in Zax. I would look at this one. GigaCloud strengthens its B2B marketplace with leading furniture suppliers. So they are moving around. They're doing things. Stock sinks as market gains. Here's why. That's Zax. I don't believe Zax is not really the most. It's just computer generated articles. Now, Global Newswire, GigaCloud donate more than 1 million to Furniture Habitat. I guess they have money to share. Inside Monkey, why are the analysts bullish on GigaCloud technology now? Let's see, why are they so bullish? They are bullish because we recently compiled a list of 12 best software stock to buy. Okay. And also, we're going to take a look at GigaCloud technology. Okay, why? So let's see why is it that they like it. According to the MCF Corporate Finance Software Update, software company valuation have reached unprecedented high. Well, not this stock because the P is very low. According software are trading at 6 times EV to a market value. So they're doing a multiple. As you know, this is enterprise value. As enlightened by the report, enterprise value is basically the equity and the debt all put together. As highlighted by the report, another reason for increased valuations have been high adoption of Gen AI. The enterprise use of Gen AI have doubled. Yeah, what does it have to do with talking about AI? Started to play in the favor of software. Okay. Gen AI, Amita, to accurate list of best software stock to buy, we use a FinVid stock screener and CNN. Okay, using the screener, we first aggregate a list of software stock with this upside. So they just basing themselves on historical earning, where they're looking analysts, they base themselves on the analyst upside potential more than 50%. Next, we cross-link with each stock using CNN. Lastly, we rank these stocks in ascending and descending. What do we care? We also added the number of hedge funds holding each stock. The reason is simple. Our research shown that we can outperform the market by imitating the top stock of the best hedge funds. Yeah, so basically, number of hedge fund 13, upside potential 200%. Wow. 4 times 20 is 80. Okay, I mean 3 times 20 is 60. Wow. Is a software the company has experienced significant growth. Yeah, I mean reaching 1.2 billion. I mean the stock is doing great. Ranked first for the best software stocks to buy according to the analysts. Right? So basically the company is doing well. The stock is not really doing anywhere. And we are seeing a fair amount of activities of interest. So it looks like it's got a support level. So let's do that, right? Let's wait until 16, 17. Otherwise, we just look. I mean, that's what we should do right now in this stock because and don't forget, it is a beta of 2.0, and that's pretty good to begin with. So let's keep watching this one.